So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what our Swiss franc JPY is going to be doing for the day. Now let's start with our trend. First thing first, you need to know what the trend is, right? You need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are very much in an uptrend move. Swiss franc JPY is very much trending to the upside. So this market was able to rally up to form an high. This is the pullback that's made to form an higher low. Market was able to rally up to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that give us an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that formed an higher low, right? Markets came back to retest the same level. It rejected and dropped, right? Now market has now pushed up, right here, guys. So it has now pushed up. So if you take a look at this market pullback, right, then push up again to form a new higher high. So you can see it. Market push up again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high right here. So market formed a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. This is the pullback, which is an higher low. So now the market has given us a pullback, which is an higher low. We should be expecting market to push up over time till it is able to fully form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high right here. So a continuous movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. We should continue to push up till it is able to fully take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So whatever you're going to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you will want to be going in for the buy. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting. Now, this is it right here. So expect this market to push up. If in case market drops, have it in mind that it will still push up. Above all, look for your buy setup and going for the buy on Swiss franc JPY. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on your updates.